Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We got a good video for you guys today. We're back out on Justin's range and here's what we got for you guys. Okay, so again, I was walking through Tractor Supply. You guys saw in this video here, we shot some salt blocks. Those were pretty cool. Well, I thought, let's try this roll of barbed wire here. This thing is about 75 pounds. It is wound real tight. This hasn't been taken apart or anything. We'll show you a close-up here in a minute. But we're going to try to see if these rounds will make it through it. Now, being that it's wire, it can move, spread apart. But again, this is wound really tight, so it should be pretty good. These are the rounds we got for you guys. We got the Dirty Harry, the 44 Magnum. We got 6.5 Grendel. We got 308. We got 30-06. And, of course, we got the 50. And we got these pretty cool solid brass rounds here. So this should be pretty cool. What we're going to do is we're going to set up an old monitor behind here to see if anything does make it through. We'll know. Of course, it can hit the dirt too. But all right, first, before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Help us hit that 200,000 subscriber mark. But let's take a closer at these beautiful rifles and pistol that we'll be using in this video. Got the Smith & Wesson 44 Magnum, world's most powerful handgun, or whatever he says in the movie. At least at that time. Kids these days probably don't even know what I'm even talking about. But as I ramble, I'm gonna get ready to shoot this thing. Just stand right by the camera. I'll shoot right past you.
Shut up, shoot!
Shut up and shoot. Now you're making me laugh. Whoa, look at all that smoke coming out of there. All right, that was awesome. Right, almost dead center, but it looks like it only went about an inch in. You can see the jacket and everything right there. And there she is. Okay, first one, no marks on the monitor, so not even a piece of shrapnel went through. So the next one is the 6.5 Grendel. Let's do it. All right, this is probably one of the nicest scopes we've had on this channel, period, to date. And of course, it's not ours. But yeah, we have this Frankenstein 6.5 Grendel. All right, let's pop a hole in that. It's close to that 44, but not on it. Clear. All right, here's where Justin hit. There's the 44, 6.5 Grendel right there. This one went about that far in. This one, 44, only went just to the back of the round anyways, only about that far. The 6.5 Grendel, almost 2 inches. But nothing in the center. We can't see anything. Nothing is broke through into even the center. So we haven't even gone through the first layer yet, but...
GoPro needs to shut up.
I know it. Shut up, GoPro. Anyways, we are going to move on to the 308 and see how that does. All right, check out our brand new member of the family here. Our Spanish Set Me Model C in 308. Technically it's 7.6251, but I'm sure someone will mention that in the comments, of course. But yeah, don't forget to check out our shorts. This was premiered in there. You know, I have no idea where this is gonna go. Hopefully I can hit it.
I think I hit it. Yay. Get out of there. Clear.
I love that new member of our family there. So Justin hit right here. You can see the back of the round. I don't know if you can see it with this here. Now it's too dark in there, but I'll tell you, this was a good video because this is some seriously tough stuff. All right, so that one went in a little bit more than the 6.5 Grendel. So far, nothing has made it through even the first layer of this barbed wire. That's pretty cool. So on to the 30-06, the M1 Grand.
All right, so this is one of my favorite classic firearms. Yeah, it's not a machine gun, but I love it, mainly for the sound. The Grand guys know what I'm talking about. And again, it's been a while since I've even fired this thing, so I don't even know where we're gonna be hitting here. We'll just pretend like I know what I'm talking about.
Go for it.
Good Lord, I think I was shooting long distance with this. Maybe? Let's try that. Ah! I love that sound. I love that sound. Makes it feel so good inside.
Okay, here we go. Right here was the shot. We turned it just a little bit. See how far this one went in. I looked through the center piece here and nothing has made it through the center yet. So about the same as the 308, maybe a hair more. And again, that's to the back of the round. Because when you look up in these, we don't have a flashlight out here to look up in these holes here, but you can see the back of the round, most of these. So nothing has made it even past the first layer. Nothing. Well, it's time for the 50. Let's do it.
All right, finally we're busting out the Bushmaster BA50 with the solid brass projectile. This should hopefully do a lot of damage. Just like I did dropping the gun again. Come on. Work with me. He's resisting me. There we go. Hopped on the struggle bus this morning. If this doesn't make it through, then we're gonna have to step it up. You ready for me to send her, bud? I'll take that as a yes. Ow! Made snot come flying out of my nose. Hurt my teethers. Clear.
That was crazy. I thought it went through, but it did not. But it did shoot some dust on this screen here, so that was super close. Let's see what we got here, Justin. Right there is where Justin hit. Now that went through. Let me see if I can turn this at all. So definitely went through. You can see all the barbed wire just tangled up in the middle there. Is that any light there or no?
It's really hard to see. I can see a little bit, but
okay. Anyways, let's see back here.
Where's the bulge? Oh, there it is.
Well, there it is. That looks crazy.
The projectile?
I think so.
See if you can dig it out of there.
Oh, that's cool. I thought those were solid brass. That looks like lead. I don't know. Let's see if we can get that out there. I'm going to get a screwdriver, see if we can dig this out. We'll be right back.
Oh, pretty.
No, just kidding. It is warm. Well, I guess those rounds, no, I think it's discolored from the, because I see some brass shining in there, but I don't know. And there you go. Almost made it all the way through. That's insane. Well, you guys know we don't like to disappoint. We got to see if we can get through this thing. So, what do you say? We shoot one of these bad boys, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. Justin's favorite. Party popper. Here you go, brother.
Yay. I always get giddy when Chris says I get to shoot a Ralphus. I'm sure you guys know these things are not cheap. So when he says, let's do a Ralphus, I'm all about it. Absolutely love it. It's my favorite.
Send it!
I'm gonna send her, bud. Ah. Hey, knocked it over. That's pretty neat. Let's go check it out.
All right, that was freaking cool. It did not go through, but it made a cool flash, burnt everything right here. It did go right through the first layer, and let's turn this bad boy. But I don't see nothing sticking through, or not sure. I can see a puncture into the second layer from this side here, but I don't know how deep. But it looks like it definitely expanded this pretty good, because I can see light through this thing now. So that was pretty cool. We got one more 50 we're gonna try. This thing also has a tungsten carbide core. We're gonna see if it'll go through. Let's check it out.
All right, so this is a very special custom round. It actually has a 1/8" diameter solid tungsten carbide, not tungsten, tungsten carbide, which is even harder than tungsten, core that tapers to a needle point, and it's basically a hollow point brass projector or copper jacket. So this is gonna be interesting to see what it does.
Everything's rolling, go for it.
All right, good talk. Oh, jeez. Well, it looked like some shrapnel hit the dirt on the side there. Neat.
Okay, here's where Justin shot that crazy round. We had turned the spool just so we can have a fresh hit here. It didn't go all the way through, but it did deflect. Well, it didn't go all the way through and hit the monitor, but it did come off, and we actually saw a dirt hit over on this side. So it came in and a small piece made it through, because this thing is getting looser over here on the back side. So there you go. This is amazing. I did not think that these spools of barbed wire would hold up that well, but they did. So pretty cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate all you do. Again, don't forget to pick up your Going Ballistic t-shirt, still only $10. Hit that subscribe button, help us hit that 200K mark, and we'll be back.